guys, this is the end results. This is a healthy cake. So guys, we are about to make some healthy breakfast for Abby. Yes, Papa, your mom is making something. Your mom is gonna make some pancakes.
Mom, so Mama gonna make pancakes for my mom and my dad.
So first, I'm gonna grab my flour.
We're gonna grab the flour. That is first. I'm gonna be careful to put the camera. I'll put the camera, okay?
Okay, Papa. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy, do we need a mug now? Mom, do we need a mug?
It's okay that they'll do it.
Do we need a mug, Daddy? Mommy?
Get the banana.
Mommy, do we need a mug? Mommy, mug. Do we need this, Mommy? Do we need this?
Yes, baby.
Do we need this? Mommy, be careful to cut your hand.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Cut your hand. Or I'll go be alive.
Oh,
You cut your hand.
some baking powder.
Powder now?
Yeah, baking powder.
We need it. Mommy, do we need that? Mommy, do we need this?
Yes, Papa. No.
I know. Mommy, give you water.
No, Dad, I don't need water. Thank you.
Water. You don't need water.
Yes, Papa.
Oh, you want blend? All you want to do is blend.
You want to blend it? Okay.
Yes.
You want to blend it. Good boy. Let me see your face.
My face is like this, guys. Can you blend it? Is it ready?
Yes, Papa, it's ready.
Hey, can you eat now?
Yeah, you have to go and fry.
Mommy, can I fry for me and Daddy? No?
I'll fry for you, Daddy.
Mommy, can I fry for you also? Can I fry it for you?
Yes, baby, I'll fry for you too.
Can I fry for Grandma and Suzy?
I'll fry for everybody, Daddy.
Can I fry for Pauline? No.
Fry for police too?
No?
Okay, I will.
Can I fry for thief?
For thieves?
Yes.
No.
What do I want to eat?
You want to eat?
Yes. I want to do something. And eat it.
Okay, I'll fry for thieves too.
Can I fry for everybody?
Yes,
No, who
I'll
is
fry
it?
for everybody.
Yay!
So cute.
Can I fry for Jesus?
Of course, I'll fry for Jesus.
Yay! Can I fry for devil?
No,
He wouldn't burn it.
no.
Why?
Because David is bad. You're not going to give him anything.
No. Okay.
Okay, Papa.
What are we going to do?
Okay.
What time is it, Mommy? Where are we going?
Are you okay? Be careful, please.
Bless you. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm going to be using for the smoothie.
That one my mom gonna make for my mood, for my mom and my dad.
You're going to make it for your mom and your dad?
And everybody. We gotta make it for everybody, me, mommy and daddy. And I am the boys of it. That's ever that was a bit.
My hands have been washed, guys. Thoroughly washed.
You washed it already? Mommy, I hope what? Mommy, I heard what the cat. I heard what the cat. Or what the cat for. I heard what the cat. Or what the cat for. It's too much, Mommy. Mommy, go mommy, go mommy. Mommy, can I eat it?
Yeah, you can.
What is? Can I taste it?
Yes, Papa, you can.
Mom,
taste
can
it.
I taste how it look? Mmm.
Butter surf. Gotta choose you. So Shane is choosing himself.
Mom, I really did not unmark already. So I wasn't anything. This one, can I take with Daddy?
Yes, Papa, you can.
Can I have moody? Can I take Daddy moody? I like it.
Thank
I like the food. I like moody.
Thank you.
I like it. Mommy, why you?
Anyways, this is the end result. Super healthy. Will you be giving it a try? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. And this one is from my boy, Shane. Yes, Daddy, your food is ready.
Look, Mommy, for food.
You're welcome, Papa.
Mommy, can babies on that?
Yes, you can have whatever you want, baby.
Yay! Thank you, Mommy, for babies.
You're welcome, Papa.
Go, Mommy. Go, Mommy. Go, Mommy. Go.
This is from my boy, Shane.
Today. Never fish. And then you
Amen. Amen. Yes, baby. Enjoy. Love you. And for the kids, I made it with some eggs just because I wanted it to be extra. So one person's gonna have 2 each. I'm just gonna grab the eggs. My hands are super clean. Folded like this. Put it in a bowl. The last one. And I'm gonna pour her some syrup inside. Just this. Yeah.
You have to buy some syrup now.
I need to add it.
Oh, you need to buy the syrup. You need to buy syrup now.
Go back like this. And that's what we have here with some milk, fruits, and yeah. Go back, please. Check. Spin around. Ooh, another star.
Thank you, my friend, for making everything for me. I love you.
Spin around, baby. I love you too. Ta-da.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. I want to with my
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Love you. God bless you.